Welcome back to the WHHI-TV Daily News. Well, Hilton Head Fire and Rescue is sparking inspiration with their second annual Hands-On Girls Firefighting Camp. Let's take a look.
Remember guys, what is she looking for?
This is our second year of hands-on training, Girls Summer Camp, and it's called Hot Girls Summer Camp. We are very excited. We have a bunch of returners as well as newcomers.
I was here last year and it was really fun, and I personally really like physical fitness and working out and stuff, so this was like a perfect camp. I'm also really interested in firefighting and paramedics, so it's really just like the perfect choice.
It was just because I wanted to feel the experience of what all the firefighters do on this island and all the experiences that they get, and it's a very small island, so it's just like a memorable memory that I'll have for life.
Our core skills are forcible entry, water supply, which is establishing a fire hydrant. We also do hose deployment, as well as the new skill we added this year is victim removal, and in addition to ladders. And the reason we wanted to add victim removal is because a lot of these young people have siblings, and so in the event of a house fire or anything significant like that, we want them to have that strength, that confidence, that knowledge to know how to possibly save or at least help their loved one if it's a younger sibling.
I liked this station where you have to see how the bodies are on the floor and how it would be if you were to enter the building if it was on fire. I thought it was really cool. I liked it because we got to learn a little bit more of what they actually go through.
Force entry. There's a lot of physicality that comes into it, and overall it's just really fun to have like the idea of you're literally breaking in a door.
The ladders, because we got to move the ladders up and we got to put them up to the window, we got to climb up them.
And learning the importance of teamwork, as well as just how to utilize these fire and EMS skills to do our 4 components of camp, which are to enhance confidence, foster leadership, strengthen mental resilience, and build physical fitness.
In reality, it's not about the firefighting. It's about life lessons and learning to overcome challenges and difficulties. This is so important because it's getting involved with our community. It's getting out there and meeting the people that live in the community. There's been multiple occasions where I've seen some of the campers in public and they recognize me, I recognize them. So it's developing and building those relationships for future.
We also had a special guest. Her name is Valerie Perez. She is the head coach of the Banana Ball Firefighters baseball team, and she came over with her background in fire experience from Corpus Christi, Texas, and gave a lot of wisdom to the students. And so we really want to highlight that anyone, but in particular ladies, girls, can be a part of the fire service in so many ways.
I think that it's really important that the fire department is doing this for not only kids but women in specific, is because firefighting and EMS is typically such a male-dominated field that women don't necessarily get the chance to step into it, learn about it, so this camp is very important. It's also really good to foster the idea of this job or profession very young so that it can be something on their mind constantly while they're going up through high school so they can prepare better.
The statistic goes that there's a very small percentage of females within the fire service, and so as we continue these type of programs along with the other programs that we have in the school system at Hilton Head, I think what's happening is that we are opening the doors to opportunity, and opportunity should be for everyone.
If we want to do it in the future, then it just gives us like an idea of what we're going to be doing.
Currently, if they were interested in becoming a firefighter, to have them reach out to our community outreach. They're very good at organizing ride-alongs. They're highly involved in our high school and our middle schools, and there's plenty of opportunities if they come and contact Hilton Head Island Fire Rescue.
What I enjoy the most is being able to give to these students, helping them become strong pillars in our community and understand the importance of our community and their part in it.
I love it. I'm happy I'm here. I'm so glad I made the decision to come here. I think it has been super fun here so far.
One of the coolest parts of this is to see our internal stakeholders, my internal team, all of the members of Fire Rescue who come together in support of this week. And so without all of us, Girls Camp would not be possible, but I really want to express my sincere appreciation for so many team members, because here at Hilton Head Island Fire Rescue, we do have a very strong team, and hosting Girls Camp is just one way we get to show how strong our team is.
Keep going, keep going. There you go, use those big muscles. All right, now you close it.
Good job, guys. Tomorrow we'll build on that and we'll all do it as a team.
So there you go, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking.
We're going to be back with a lot more, so don't go away.